We're going to get them tonight ready. Renato Crea just shot a big black bear in northern Maine. How do you feel, my man?
I feel great. I don't know how I hit him.
You hit him, go listen.
I wasn't sure if you wanted me to wait for him to get to the bait. I was just afraid he'd scent us when he got to the stand.
Renato Crea from Waterbury, Connecticut. Well, buddy, we couldn't find a blood trail, but we found your bear. Congratulations, man.
Thank you very much.
We gotta pull him out of here. Might have time to drag him out. Get over here. That's a beautiful, beautiful bear. Look at the size of that bear, too. That's a beauty right there.
I know I hit him hard because he even crumbled when I hit.
That is a beautiful bear. Look at the fur on that bear. My God.
I'm so quick, bro.
Look how fat this bear is. I'm going to turn this camera. We'll get him out.
23rd today. Today's the 24th.
It is the 24th.
24th.
How you doing? September 24th. We got that big hog out last night. Reno, you did a good job, buddy.
Thank you very much, Ron.
Got good footage of it. It's the biggest sow I've ever seen in my life. We weighed at 340 pounds dress weight, so pushing 400 pounds for a sow. It's incredible. The bear is giant, and we're going to take it to the taxidermist right now. And I had to show you guys this giant bear and close out the footage we got. And I had a great time. It was a great hunt. And I appreciate you coming to North Maine Woods Guide Service, Reno.
Be back next year.
I hope so, buddy. Take care of you guys. We'll see you in the woods.